This is Rochelle Hopkins, your Heck and Purchase Specialist, and I'm coming to you from the beautiful Fountain Hills, Arizona, where it's always sunny. And I'm going to show you a listing that is the perfect retirement home. The address is 15636 East Yucca Drive here in Sunridge Canyon, where there is a beautiful golf course. It is listed by Karen DeGeorge, 480-225-3766. This home is for the retiree. And why? Because it is single level. Now, if you know anything about Fountain Hills, there are gorgeous views because there are hills, right? This home is single level, no stairs to go up or no stairs to come down. It's $599,000. If you are somebody that you know is 62 years or older that would love to move to the beautiful town of Fountain Hills, Arizona, you can buy this home by making a one-time down payment of about $400,000 and never have a monthly mortgage payment for as long as you live in the home. So let's go take a peek at the home. So who do you know who is 62 years or older who would love to move to the sunny Fountain Hills, Arizona, Sunridge Canyon? Home listed, again, $599,000, but with a Heck and Purchase, make a one-time down payment of about $400,000 and never have a monthly mortgage payment. Please reach out, Rochelle Hopkins, 602-312-7801.